Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright, my people. Dancehall skilla there again. Yeah, big up and respect each and everyone. Alright, so I have a few videos I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I think I'm going to start this video with somewhat of an excitement. So the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show how a certain number of persons from within the country of Jamaica use the ropes and other things as well in order to get a person across a bridge that collapsed somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now the video shows a river that runs at the foot of the bridge that collapsed, and at the time when the video had been recorded, the river was running heavy. Alright? Now let me know what to think about this video. Please do not try this at home, and viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me.
Alright, this is how them do it in Chulani. No bridge. As you can see, the river come down. Look. Only Chulani man can cross it.
Excellent.
I see, you see, as I can see, there was chopping down in there.
Chopping down.
Safely.
My people, please do not try that at home. Please do not try it at home. Yes, I say, no, and I really still do, my people. I wonder if that collapsed bridge is the only way in and out of a community somewhere within the country of Jamaica. If you listen to the video carefully, you hear where someone mentioned a certain parish from within the country of Jamaica. You see, so that might give you an understanding as to where the video be recorded. However, you know, I can't help but wonder if that collapsed bridge is the only way in and out of a community somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I wonder, you know, I just wonder. And if so be the case, I hope that the government of Jamaica fix that bridge and that these persons can stop using those ropes and those things in order to get across that collapsed bridge, because it's dangerous still, no, my people. That's dangerous. You see? Anyways, tell me what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, according to some things that a person said in this video, I got the understanding that this person is trying to let politicians within the country of Jamaica know that he's looking for a job. Now, it's somewhat sad to hear some of the things that the person said in this video, but in my point of view, I think that this person made at least one valid point. See, I want you to listen carefully to the things that this person said in this video and tell me what you think about the things that he said. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me.
Good afternoon, Prime Minister, Opposition Leader, Member of Parliament for Eastern St. Thomas. My name is Colonel Mott. I need a work. I've been send out this for a while now with my application and resume, and it costs money. I'm in a work. I send them out for a while now and I get no response. I send out more than 5 already in the last year. I send got fire brigade and numerous places. I still not get no call. I send go down, me drop off one at the office in Mark, the fire brigade office. And I send one down at the main office at Kingston. Still not get no response, and them cost money. Tired of send them out and not get no call. I need work. I need a work. I need to put them to use, the CXC them. I got school, drop out of school 2016 because of financial problem. Enroll myself in a program for the go back to school and do 5 CXC. For the Excelsior Community College. For Port Morenci, you can ask them about me. 4 me get. 4 out of the 5 come out top boy. And I need a work. It's hard. I'm tired of sending out this one here, application and resume, and now I get no work. Youth in my community have 5, 6, 7, 8 CXC. I try to get work.
I hear that.
If you go in a police force, there's a problem. So the JDF, there's a problem. What can I do? Me need a work. Last application and resume me send it down at the Norman Manley International Airport, ramp attendant or red cap porter. So if anybody can help me get the job down at the airport, either the ramp attendant or red cap porter, please do so. See, my 1-year-old son there, me no want him go through what me go through in a life. I want to set a foundation for when he reach my age. Him for their college and then wait to university. Because me never get the chance to do that. Even though that me did want to do. So me need a work. Me tired to send them out and not get the response. See there? So me just come to do an interview. Me not get through because them say me too young. So bro God, Mark Golding, Member of Parliament for Eastern St. Thomas, Mitchell Charge. Me I beg you do something for me and do something for the youth them in my community. Here Castle, St. Thomas, yeah man, we need some work man. We tired to sit down and nothing not going and then people have a class as workless. And then you know say we have this subject and we been a send out application and resume and now I get no response. So me feel good to go up on an interview and then they might tell me say me too young. So can do what can do for me. Me need a work. Thank you.
My people, you see the part where the young man says something about too young or something like that, eh? That happened to me twice. One time before I was 18, the second time when I was quite a number of age above 18. You see it? But on a real, at the time, I never like how I feel when the person tell me certain things. You see what I said to you? So I understand how this young man might feel. You see? Then I get into that. But anyways, my people, share this video. Share this video. Let other persons know about this video. See it? Make persons out there see this video so that this young man's voice can be heard. You see it? In my point of view, the fact that this young man said those things in that video and make a video like this, I think that this young man want good for him life. Me see ambition right there. See it? So share this video, make people out there know what go on. You see it? And I hope so that this young man get the help that him want or get the job that him want. Is what I say? The next video I'm going to present to you, I don't have any confirmed information as to where or when the video will be recorded. And in my point of view, this video shows a motor vehicle that was trapped in flood waters that happened somewhere out there in the world at a certain time. And a man can be seen in the video climbing through the window of the motor vehicle. And to my knowledge, the man made it safe from the motor vehicle that was trapped in the flood waters. Now, the man was holding something in his hand. And in my point of view, the man didn't let go the thing that he was holding on to. You see? Anyways, want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. This video is not really a long video and the viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe with me.
Left the food, Byron! Byron! Come out the car, left the food, hurry up!
Left the food.
Right! Look behind there! Come the way, boy, you know the car, come boy! No jump, ease off, no jump.
So me I talk about somebody I tell him to left the food, but maybe the man really and truly they want that food there. Maybe that food there nice. You see it? Man decides say nah, let it go. See it? Yeah. If the motor car gone, him nah left the food. That even laughing matter, yo. That is not even laughing matter, but Panari is still low. So no care how the man tell the man left the food, the man nah left no food, my people. Nah left the food. I tell you. I just one of them videos, my people. Alright, so big up and respect. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Skilla on the big up. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall, skilla!
Hear me now?